In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a numbered list at 2 in Google Slides. First, open Google Slides in your browser so you're on the home page. From here, head to the Recent Presentations section to quickly access a file you've worked on before. Go ahead and open a presentation you want to use. I'll use a simple sample file, but any slide deck will work for this demonstration. Once your presentation is open, click inside a text box on your slide. If there isn't one yet, choose a slide layout that includes a text box or insert one from the toolbar. Type a line of text to serve as your first list item. I'll just type a placeholder word to keep things simple. Now highlight that text. Selecting the text first makes sure the formatting you apply only affects what you've chosen, not the whole slide. Look toward the upper area of the screen for the Numbered List button on the toolbar. It's the icon that shows 1, 2, 3 with lines next to them. If your window is narrow, it may be tucked behind a More Options menu, so expand the window or look for the icon with numbers. Click that button, and your highlighted text instantly becomes the first item in a numbered list. To continue the numbering and move on to the next number, press Enter on your keyboard. Google Slides automatically places your cursor on the next line and labels it as the next number, so you'll see it switch to 2. This is the key to building a sequence that reaches 2 right away after your first item. From here, each time you press Enter, Slides will advance the numbering for you so you can keep adding items quickly and consistently. A couple of quick notes to keep everything smooth. If you click the numbered list icon with nothing selected, Slides will start a list at your cursor, which is useful when you're beginning fresh. If you don't see the icon, it may be hidden due to screen size or toolbar customization. Widening the window or revealing more tools usually brings it into view. Also, selecting text before turning on numbering is the safest way to apply the style exactly where you want it and avoid changing other parts of the slide. That's all you need to set up a numbered list and continue the numbering so the next line appears as 2. With this approach, you can quickly build clean, professional lists and keep your slides organized. Thanks for watching and enjoy.